Good afternoon to all. Let's start next topic, that is the type of network. This topic we have already done in our second lecture, and that is in a small introduction of type of networks. Okay, but in our today lecture we will study in detail these networks. What are they? Okay, what are the advantages and disadvantages of computer networks? Okay, first of all, what is a network? A network consists of two or more computers that are connected with each other. This definition we have already studied. A network is said to when two or more computers are connected with each other, or connected you can say, or linked with each other, so that they can share any type of data from one PC to another. Okay, that is a network is. A simple definition is a network consists of two or more computers that are linked, means that are connected in order to share resources, exchange file, or allow electronic communication. Okay, share devices mean you are sharing a printer between two computer. There is a single printer, but that printer is connected with two or more than two computers. Means that is a network. You are sharing a resource. Okay, if you are transferring a file from one system to another, like you will share your movies, your song with your friend with a Bluetooth, or with your Wi-Fi connection, or with a Wi-Fi direct option, that is created a network when there is two devices that are connected to share the files. Okay, the computer on a network may be linked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, satellite, or infrared light beams. When two or more computers are connected, it can be with a cable, that is wired connection. It can be with your telephone lines. Okay, that is a wired connection. And second is your wireless, that is your radio waves. Your satellites are using your radio waves. Okay, there are infrared lights. Your remote, TV remote, and your television is also create a network. Okay, when you press a button from your remote control, okay, that create a network. When we press any key or a button from a remote, then it will change your channel. Okay, it create a network. That is also an example of your, and that signal that travel is your infrared light. Okay, a remote control send a signal in the form of infrared light, okay, to your television. That also create a network. Then different type of networks are there. These we have studied, but in today lecture we will go in a detail. What are they? First network is your local area network, also called as LAN, LAN. Second is metropolitan area network. Third is your wide area network. Fourth is your personal area network. Okay, these are the four important networks that are used in your computer network field. Okay, first of all, what is your local area network is? A local area network is a network that is used for communicating among computer devices, usually within an office. Okay, within an office, that network that is created means a number of PCs that are connected with each other. That is an example of your local area. I have also explained, giving an example of your computer lab. Okay, if we have a PL1, PL2 lab, PL3 lab, or DB lab, okay, in our CSC department, they are created a network, and that network is your local area network. Okay, DB lab, there are 40 PCs, they are connected with each other. You can share the resources, you can transfer the file from a single PC to another PC because they are connected with each other. Okay, the network is created, and that network is your local area network. Okay, within an office or within an building. Second point is Local area network enable the sharing of resources such as files or hardware devices that may be needed by multiple users. Okay, if there are multiple users, you can share your file with the multiple computers because they are connected with each other. From single device to you can send a file to multiple computer also. Okay, because they are connected with your wired connection. Third point is limited in size. Okay, this is the drawback, is limited in size because it is in the office or in a computer lab or in a particular room. That is why it is limited in size. Okay, is limited in size, typically spanning a few hundred meter and no more than a mile. Okay, distance in which your network can be created, it can be in a meters or in a mile, not more than that. Okay, this is the disadvantage of local area network because it have sufficient distance. Then next point is fast. Okay, local area network is a fast network with speed from 10 mbps to your 10 gbps. 10 mbps means megabyte per second to 10 gigabytes per second. The speed means the bandwidth with which you can transfer your file. Next point is it require little wiring. Wiring means wired. Require little wiring, typically a single cable connecting to each device. Okay, when you will create a network, we connect a two PC with each other. They require some media. Okay, and that media can be your wired media or can be your wireless. Okay, that is why it needs some media, or it can be a cable, or it can be a radio waves. Okay, next point is local area network can be either wired or wireless. I have told you that it can be wired or it can be wireless. If it is wired, then there is different type of wires, that is twisted pair cable is there, coaxial cable is there, fiber optic cable is there. Okay, these are the wired. And wireless is your radio waves. Okay, the waves through which your signal can travel. Every local area network use a protocol. Okay, the word protocol I have also explained. A protocol defined as a set of rules. Okay, the rules that are made to communicate your devices. Okay, there are rules. They use that protocols to transfer your files. Okay, every LAN use a protocol. As a protocol is a set of rules that governs how packets are configured and transmitted. Okay, there are rules that will perform how your packets can be made and how they are transmitted from one device to another. Next one is has lower cost compared to man and WAN. Okay, limitation is there, that is it is in a limited size area. Okay, and there is also advantages there, that has a lower cost because it is network is created in a limited area, and with that the cost is also lower. Okay, as compared to your metropolitan area network and with your wide area network. Last point is your node in local area network are linked together with a certain topologies. Okay, next topic in our computer network is network topologies, and I will told you these topologies are commonly used while creating your network. Okay, commonly use these topologies. First topology is your bus topology. This we will study in detail in our next topic. I will told you types of topologies are there is a bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, hybrid topology, and tree topologies. These six topologies we will study. Okay, that is our next topic. Each and every network is created by a topology. Okay, your local area network are linked together with a certain topology, and that topologies are bus, ring, and star. These are the three topologies in which your local area network is created. Okay, with these topologies. This is the simple example of your local area network. These five PC are connected with each other. Okay, but you will also see that they are creating a ring. Okay, a ring from this PC to, see the cursor, from first PC it will go to your left side. Okay, make a ring. It can be a clockwise, it can be anti-clockwise. Okay, you can create any with any form, clockwise or anti-clockwise. This is the example of your local area network. These 5 PC are connected with each other in a single room. We can create it. Okay, and we can also share a single file from one PC to different PCs. This is also an example of your local area network. Here a hardware is used. This is a hardware, and this hardware is your hub, or we can also say that this is your switch. Okay, with this hub we can connect a different devices. If there are 10 ethernet ports, these are the ethernet ports. Okay, these one, in which we will connect a RJ45 connector or your ethernet cable. These are the port. Okay, if there are 5 port, we can connect 5 PC. If there are 4 port, we can connect 4 PC. Okay, the limited range are there. Hub have maximum 7 to 8 port, but switch have more than a 20 port in a single switch. Okay, that is why in your computer labs there are a hardware used, that is your switch, because in with the single switch we can connect 20 PC with each other. Okay, and this is your hardware, and that hardware is also called as hub. Or if it is limited range, that is of 8 PC can be connected, then it is a hub. If it more than 10, then it is your switch. Okay, if it has an antenna, okay, then it can be work as a wireless also. Okay, it can be work as a wired as well as wire. Okay, this is an also example of your local area network. Then local area network transmission method. Okay, there are different type of transmission method are there in your network. First is your unicast, second is your multicast, third is your broadcast. What are they? Unicast is a communication between a single sender and a single receiver. Okay, if there are two computers, they are connected with each other, means single sender is there, second one is the single receiver. That network is called unicast network. Okay, only sender and receiver are there. Multicast is your multicast transmission consists of communication between single sender and multiple receiver, means if there are 5 PC, one will send it and 4 will receive it. Okay, that is your example of your multicast. Then broadcast transmission consists of single data packet that is copied and sent to all nodes connected with each other. Okay, like you are connected with Facebook. When you go to a Amazon app, you will search any item. Okay, you will close your Amazon app, but you will see that that ad will also show on your Facebook also. That is an example of your broadcast. Okay, they will copy your link, your email ID, then they will broadcast the message to each and every user of that app, that Amazon app. Okay, that is a broadcast. And next is your peer-to-peer connection. Okay, this PC is connected with this one. Okay, means one PC is connected with another receiver, sender and receiver are there. Then next is your, this is your sender, this is your receiver, means single PC is connected with two, single sender is there, and there are next receiver is there. Peer to peer, or we can also say that point to point connection. Okay, Peer to peer is also known as point to point connection. Then next is your client server based network. Okay, there is only one server like Google, but there are multiple clients. We are the clients. We use a Google server for any type of application, Google Classroom, Google Form, Google Sheet, okay, your Gmail. But who was the server? Google. Google was the server, but we are the clients. We send a request, Google server fulfill that request and show a page on our screen. Next is advantages of LAN. First advantage is sharing of resource. With your LAN, we will share any type of file between the system that are connected with each other. Second advantage is client and server relationship is there. Sharing of internet is there. Okay, there is, we have purchased in our college, we have purchased a single IP, okay, from Reliance Geo, but that IP is shared between number of PCs. Okay, in your lab there are PCs we can access from internet from any PC. Okay, with or from any laptop, from any mobile device. Means we have purchased one IP, but that IP is further shared between multiple devices. So example is there, advantage is there, sharing of internet. We can purchase only one IP and that can be shared with the number of devices. Third is fourth is your scaring of your data. Okay, we can also scare our data because there is a server client network is also there. Server client, all the data is placed on a server. Okay, and from that server we can request and access that data. That is the example of how we can secure our data. Then next is communication is easy, fast, and time saving. Okay, with the example of your LAN, we can also communicate easily between number of devices. It is fast and it is also a time saving. But what are the disadvantages in your local area network? First is expensive to install. Okay. Second is require administrative time. If there is a server is there, okay, so administrator is there. Okay. Next is your file server may fail. Okay, if your server fail, your system, all the network get also destroyed. Cable may break. Okay, the cables that we will use for a connection, okay, your Ethernet cable, that can be break. Okay, that all are the disadvantage in your local area network. Next is your metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network is large computer network that usually spans a city or a large campus. Okay, a man can also known as a campus area network, CAN. Okay, a metropolitan area is between your city. If I am talking about Amritsar city, okay, there are number of SBI bank branches of State Bank of India. Okay, they are connected with each other in a single city in Amritsar. Okay, and that create a metropolitan area network. Okay, and same if I talk about Amritsar, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Delhi. Okay, all the SBA branches of these cities are connected with each other. Now I am talking about wide area network. Okay, these are the example. Next point in your man is a man is optimized for larger graphical area than a LAN, ranging from several block of building, several block of, now we are talking about number of buildings. Okay, if SBI branch in Shata, second is in your near bus stand, or third in near your Golden Temple, means these are in a single city, but different blocks are there. Okay, this is the example of your Man. Next is a man might be owned and operated by a single organization. Your man network is operated by single organization, and I have told you that that organization is SBI. Mean main head office of your SBI at Bombay are operating all these branches. Okay, but it usually will be used by many individual and organizations. A man often act as a high speed network to allow sharing of regional resources. Wait, Abhishek, I will answer your question later when I'll complete my topic. Okay, there is an example of the question you have asked. Okay, the question is, if I connect my laptop with my mobile hotspot or internet access, then what type of connected network is there? And that network will be your personal area network. Okay, the fourth network we will study, that is personal area network. Okay, next point is example of your, okay, second point is there in your this slide. A man, that is metropolitan area network, typically cover an area of between 5 and up to 50 kilometer diameter. Okay, range of your network can be created in your man is between 5 to 50 kilometer. Okay, in a city. Next is example of man is a telephone company network that provide a high speed DSL. DSL is your digital subscriber link. I will repeat it again. DSL stand for digital subscriber link to customer and cable TV network. Okay, your fastway network, okay, is an example of your metropolitan area network. Your BSNL in a particular city. Okay, BSNL in a particular city. If I am talking about Amritsar, and that network that is created is your man. But if we will talk about different cities, then it is a wide area network. This is an example of your metropolitan area network. A diagram is there. Okay, if I am talking about this single building, okay, this single building is your metropolitan area. Okay, in a single campus or in a single building. Okay, if there are multiple building, multiple blocks in a single city, then it will create a metropolitan. This is in a single city. City is there. Okay, it can be any city. In that city, if there are 5 blocks, if 4 blocks, then it, if they are connected with each other, they are creating a metropolitan area network. Okay, if in a single building there is a single room, okay, at that single room, if the network that is created, that network is said as a local area network. In a single building, in a single room, if there are 10 PC, that area is local area network. If there is a single building, okay, they are connected with the multiple blocks in a single city, that is a metropolitan area network. Then next is your wide area network. A WAN covers a large geographic area such as country, continent, or even whole of the world. If the network that is created in a country or in a continent or throughout a world, that network is your wide area network. A wide area network is two or more LAN connected together. Okay, if two or more LAN connection are connected with each other, that makes your WAN. The local area network can be many miles apart. The distance of your wide area network is between a mile, thousands of kilometers or 100 of kilometers. Okay, to cover a great distance, WAN may transmit data over a leased high speed phone lines, or it can be a wireless also. Your WAN can be a wireless as well as a high speed telephone line. Next point, multiple LAN can be connected together using devices such as bridge, router, gateway. Okay, which type of devices are used for your wide area network? That is your bridge, router, and gateway. But for local area network, which devices are used? That is your hub and your switch. These two devices are used. But for a wide area network, bridge, router, gateway, which enables your network or resources can be shared with these hardware. The world most popular WAN is the internet. Okay, if question is there, the world most popular wide area network is which one? That is your internet is. And the definition of your internet is defined as network of network. Okay, it can be a local area network to a WAN. It can be a local area to a MAN. Okay, the network of network is your internet is. And here is an example of your WAN. Okay, this is a single city. It can be Amritsar. Second is your Jalandhar. Next Ludhiana. Next Delhi. They are connected with each other, and that will create a wide area network. Okay. Next, fourth one. This is your fourth network. That is your personal area network. A PAN or a personal area network is a network that is used for communicating among computer and computer devices in a close proximity of around a few meter within a room. Okay, a few meter. Okay, Bluetooth have a range. Okay, near about 5 meter to a 10 meter distance. Okay, Bluetooth have a range from 5 to 10 meter only. Okay, if you are using earbud, okay, you can go for a certain meter. If you are connected with your laptop, you are placing your laptop in a room and you are going outside, then you will listen that, or you can see that there is a breakage in connection. Okay, that is up to limited range. You can listen any type of voice from your laptop, or you can listen a music. But if you go more than a range of that device, then the connection will break. Okay, and that comes under your personal area network. That is question that I've asked by Abhishek is, and that network is that create network that is created is your personal area network. We will study next point. They will clear each and everything. Second point is it can be used for communicating between the devices themselves or for connecting to a large network such as internet. We can also connect with the internet using a personal area network also. Okay, a pen can be wired or it can be a wireless also. If we are using Bluetooth, means it is a wireless connection. If we are using a wired, okay, between a room to up to a limited range, okay, up to a limited range, few meters, then that comes under your pen. If we are going more than a 10 meter or more than a 20 meter in a building and the PC are connected, that create a local area network. Okay, example of wireless personal area network or wireless PAN, also called as VPAN. Device includes cell phone, headset, wireless keyboard, wireless mic, printer, barcode scanner, and game console, or your Bluetooth, etc. If these devices are used and make a network, then that networks come under your PAN, personal area network. Okay, and this is an image shown on your screen. This is your personal area network, means a system is there. Okay, this one system is connected with your Bluetooth printer. There are Bluetooth printer are there now. Okay, Bluetooth printer. Then your pager. Okay, then your cell phone. Then a lady sitting at another room or at another place, they are also connected with that PC, like your CCTV cameras. Okay, you are going anywhere, but you can see your video or image through your CCTV camera that is placed in your home. Okay, that comes under your personal area network because your CCTV is connected with your router. Okay, then that Wi-Fi connection is sent to your mobile device because they are connected paired with each other. Okay, here distance, the word we have used, you have confusion now, that it can be used as, second point is there, it can be used as communicating between the devices themselves or for connecting to a larger network such as internet. The device that is connected with the internet, we can also connect with that devices also, that also come under your personal area network. Okay, your camera and your router made a personal area network. Okay, the network that is made, that is personal area, but router send it a single signal. Okay, that radio waves, that is comes under your wide area network because we are searching or we can seeing any type of, wait for a minute. Okay, okay, this is your image. Hope you will understand the concept of your personal area network also. Okay, there is a limited range between 5 to 10 meter. Okay, in your personal area, the devices that can connected with the wired or your wireless range between 5 to 10, then that comes under your personal area network. Okay, next topic is your network topologies. Okay, I will tell you the basic, the types of topologies, but we will study these topology in our next lecture. First of all, topology is describe the way in which the elements means your component of computer, your computers, your mobile phones, your printers. Okay, that are the elements of your network. The elements of network are mapped is your topology. In which manner we will map, we will connect our devices with each other, the term used is a topology. Okay, they describe the physical and logical arrangement of network nodes, and network nodes are your computer, your mobile phone, your printer. Okay, your wireless keyboard, mouse, how they are connected. Okay, that is your topology. It can be in a bus form, it can be in a star form, it can be in a ring form, in mesh form. These are the types of topology. Okay, then different type of topology are your, first is your bus topology, second is your star topology, third is your ring topology, fourth is your tree topology, fifth is your hybrid, and last one is your mesh topology. Okay, these are your topologies. Now, if you have any question from previous slides, type of network, you can ask me. You can raise your hand